Alright guys, welcome to Investing with Cat and Pat. Again, it is just me, and again, Catherine is taking care of Jovi. Sunday night, tomorrow we're going to be on it, both of us. Promise you that. Anyways, let's get into it. So, today the video is 3 keys to prepare yourself for getting ready for your first wholesale deal. I had a lot of experience in my last job with cold calling. I was a freight broker for about a year, and I had to do like 100 cold calls a day. So, picking up the phone and talking to people came really natural to me, and it has been a huge asset to me in this business. So, if there's anything that I can do to help you guys get over that fear, or you know, it, just let me know in the comments, and I'll try to do that. Because that's something that I had to overcome that fear myself. Getting in front of this video camera right now isn't that easy, but I don't know. I'm just doing it because that's me. I just go for it. And so here we are. 3 keys to preparing for your first wholesale deal. And key number 1 is you need to be informational and knowledgeable. You need to be informational, knowledgeable, and resourceful, actually. All 3 of those things. And what I mean by that is you need to either, I don't know what your thing is, if it's reading books or getting on YouTube and learning how to do things, but you need to either buy a wholesale book, or you need to go to Jerry Norton, Lily Thompson, Jamil Danji, Pace Morby, Brent Daniels, the Wholesale Hotline, any of those channels I just named. All of them will show you how to start this business, run this business, and I understand that that's my competition, but I want you guys to get the best available, and obviously this is only my second video. So, what I mean by be resourceful when you're going to watch and learn from those guys is they are going to be leaving links in their descriptions for, like, I don't know, just for example, like a wholesale contract, like to take to an off-market seller. If you call an off-market seller and he's like, oh yeah, I want to sell my house and it's not a good house, it's beat up, I'll take a low price. If you got the perfect deal ever, okay, and then you're like, wait, I don't have a contract. How do I get a contract? What do I do? I mean, that's what I mean by be resourceful. When you're watching these videos, go ahead and download that onto your computer. Go ahead and have that. There's going to be things that you're seeing in these videos you need to be paying attention to. You need to be taking notes on these videos, because these guys are the real deal, and they show you how to do it. They showed me how to do it. I'm doing it, and now I'm trying to show y'all how to do it, but I'm early on, so bear with me. I will be up there with them, I promise you. Jerry Norton, Jamil Danji, Pace Morby. Shout out. Anyways, so let's see. Number 2, did I skip anything there? I don't think I did. Let's see. Yeah, okay, so there we go. Number 2, you're going to need to know your market. Again, that goes with being resourceful, but you can, Google is pretty much everybody's number 1 resource right now. So if you just type in, like I'm in Birmingham, so Birmingham, Alabama, market research, boom, go start, boom, 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 read that data, write that data down, understand your market, what's going on, understand the trends, what's happening in your market. That's going to give you the knowledge that you need to know going into these deals before, you start making deals. You don't want to make deals until you know. what's going on in your market, which is like another thing you need to be doing is like going into Zillow, Redfin, Trulia, and looking at what's sold in my market in the last 30 days, or what's for sale right now. How long is it, or if it sold, how long did it take to sell, or if it hasn't sold, why is it not selling? You know, those are big indicators of what's going on in your market. So be paying attention to that. And number 3 is be more prepared than you think you need to be prepared. Because, you know, like I said, I had a lot of experience cold calling. So, like, my first deal, I did it through Jerry Norton's way. I did it through going through agents, and I was making offers to these agents, and I just kind of have a knack for talking to people and like getting on the phone and bam, 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 just like making relationships and making rapport. It kind of comes naturally to me. So that's what I did. I got a deal within 30 days. Like I said in the last video, that's just how it happened. Hey, could you, if you made it this far, like and subscribe and hit that bell notification if you haven't done so already, and comment something. I don't know, what's up, bro? Let's see. Sorry, I got a little bit distracted there, but be more prepared than you think you need to be. You know, I'm still learning in this business. I really am. I've been at it hard. I've been working really hard for a long time now, and I'm still learning new stuff every day. So, you know, you can't learn enough. You're gonna keep on learning. Just if you're gonna take this seriously, keep, really go for it. If you're doing this as a side gig, stay consistent with it. You'll get there, and then you'll be like, wow, I'm making more money here than I am at my real job. Quit that job and get straight into wholesaling. Boom, like we did. But anyways, that is the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was Sunday night. We just kind of, I just kind of made a good video, quick video. I don't know if it was good, but tomorrow I'm hoping to have some more quality. We were trying to figure out some things on how to screen share with you guys so we could kind of show you what we were talking about on Redfin. Ran into a couple issues with that, and that's why we didn't end up getting to do that video today.